In his last start, he goes into the game tonight 7-1. He pitched well enough to get his 8th win. He made one mistake, and Vernon Wells cost him getting the win. It ended up being a long day for the Yankees. They lost in extra innings, but he's coming back after another great start.
The 0-2, swing and a miss, and Cash down on strikes. Why, Jack, was it, as Bourne swings and misses, why was it originally diagnosed then as a groin injury?
Andy's pretty much overmatched him today with a breaking ball.
Swing and a miss.
It's just that, you know, the team in other ways has gone down, and that you thought he could be the person to get you over the hump.
A lot of fly balls for Pettitte tonight, and an 11-pitch 1-2-3 inning. Dribbled slowly toward third, charging Pena. Fires, got him. Pettitte is really dealing tonight. And Andy not thrilled, as Joe Girardi will make his way to the mound and call on Jabba Chamberlain. So he'll take the ball from Pettitte, who's going to get a nice hand from the crowd here at the stadium. Chamberlain will come on to face Keppinger. Yankees are leading 4-2, but that lead is in jeopardy.